If I told you that you had just a few days left to change your life forever, what would you do right now? Ramadan is slipping away. The question is, are you seizing the blessings, or are you letting them fade? The Prophet said, perhaps a fasting person gains nothing from his fast except hunger and thirst. Ibn Majah, what if that's you? What if you enter Eid with regret instead of joy? This is your last chance to turn things around. But you have to act now. 1. The biggest mistake we make in Ramadan: we plan so much for Eid, but do we plan for the Akhirah? We invest in iftar feasts, but not in our faith. We fast with our stomachs, but not with our hearts. Are we truly fasting the way Allah wants us to? Or just starving ourselves without real benefit? The fix: shift your focus from food to faith. What matters more, the perfect iftar or a perfect salah? Stop wasting time. Netflix, social media, unnecessary scrolling, cut them down now. Make every moment of Ramadan count. Fill your time with Salah, Quran, and Dhikr. Allah warns us, by time, indeed, mankind is in loss. Except for those who believe and do righteous deeds. Surah Al-As, 2. Your Salah, it's more important than you think. What if I told you that your fasting means nothing if your Salah is weak? Transform your Salah before it's too late. Pray on time, no excuses. Pray with meaning. Know what you're saying in Surah Fatiha. Increase your voluntary Salah, especially tahajjud in the last nights. Hadith: the first thing a person will be asked about on the Day of Judgment is their Salah. Tirmidhi: don't let Ramadan end while your Salah is still weak. Fix it now. 3. The Quran, your lifeline in Ramadan. Ramadan is the month of the Quran, yet many of us barely read it. Quran challenge for the last days of Ramadan: read at least 1 page after every Salah. 5 pages daily equals complete Quran in Ramadan. Listen to tafsir meanings to connect deeper. Make dua after reading. Ask Allah for understanding and guidance. Allah says, this is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah. Surah Al-Baqarah, you still have time to complete the Quran. Start now. 4. The last 10 nights, are you ready for Laylatul Qadr, 1 night? 83 years of reward. But will you catch it? How to make the most of the last 10 nights? Pray tahajjud, even 2 rakats could change your destiny. Give charity every night, so you don't miss Laylatul Qadr's reward. Repeat this powerful dua: O Allah, you are most forgiving, and you love to forgive, so forgive me. Power tip: automate donation so you never miss giving on Laylatul Qadr. Allah says, indeed, we sent the Quran down during the night of decree. And what can make you know what is the night of decree? The night of decree is better than 1,000 months. Surah Al-Qadr, you may not get another Ramadan. Don't waste this chance. 5. The secret weapon of the Prophet in Ramadan. How did the Prophet maximize Ramadan? Through 3 things: worship, charity, and forgiveness. More Salah, Dhikr. Every second of worship multiplies your rewards. Giving generously, the Prophet was the most generous in Ramadan. Constant istighfar, astaghfirullah, can erase all past sins. Hadith: the best of people are those who bring the most benefit to others. Ahmed, today's challenge: give even a small charity, seek forgiveness sincerely. 6. The ultimate Ramadan checklist. Do this before it's too late. Fix your Salah, pray with khushu and sincerity, read Quran daily, even if just 1 page. Make sincere dua, beg Allah for His mercy, give charity daily, catch Laylatul Qadr's reward. Disconnect from distractions, focus on ibadah, seek forgiveness, erase past sins, strengthen your connection with Allah, because Ramadan is not just about fasting, it's about transforming your soul. Ramadan is slipping away. Will you make these changes before it's too late? Imagine standing on the day of Eid. Will you look back with joy, knowing you gave your best? Or will you regret the wasted nights? This Ramadan could be our last. We don't know if we will live to see another one. Let's not waste another second. Every moment counts. Like, share, subscribe for more Islamic reminders.